Alright y'all, so we're gonna do his transformation. We're gonna go ahead and do it 3 all over, and we're gonna do taper fade, right? Blow out, taper fade, tint fade. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of these curls for the girls. It's been a while, it's time. I'm using my Wall Magic cordless clippers with the Wall Premium guards. I'm gonna go ahead and start at 3. Ready? Do it, man. We're gonna make sure we knock down the hair all the way even, all the way around. How long has it been since you cut your hair?
About 2.5 years.
2.5 years. And before, actually I just dropped a live video of 4 years of hair growth that I cut off. And now, 2.5 years. We're gonna go ahead and do a 3 first to see how it looks. If he wants to go lower, we will go lower. The reason why I did a 3 is because you could always take hair off, you can't put it back on.
Shout out 360G.
Applying the heat is going to allow me to lay down the hair in its natural state, natural direction. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start the first initial guideline for the taper in the back. I'm using my Wall Retro T-Cuts, and you're going to tell right now how hard these hit. I didn't zero gap these. I had one of the barbers here do it for me. And since I am heavy-handed, I didn't want him to put it too close. It has a T-blade on there, the same blade for the detailers. And I've been using these now for about, I would say, maybe 2 weeks now. And I have absolutely fell in love with these trimmers right here. I always make sure I have them charged. The only downfall with these trimmers that I, in my opinion, is there's no charge indicator on the charge dock. Meaning, if there's no, like the Slimline Pros, whenever you have them charged, it'll tell you whether they're charged or not, and they don't have that. There's no light. The switch is kind of odd because it's opposite. You got to go down to turn it on and go up to turn it back off. But I mean, there's some hitters. So the second guideline we're going to be doing is the lever all the way open, going up about 1/2 inch. Put the lever in the middle and go right underneath that line. Don't go all the way to the line where you put the half guideline at. Go right underneath it, and then you're gonna go ahead and close that lever all the way to remove it completely. Right at the bottom, start working that line out. Don't go where you had it midway. And then lever play, right? Just as needed to remove that line all the way completely out. The noise you hear in the background is the air compressor for the shop. It's a pretty big tank. We have it in another room, but you can still hear it because the TV's not on, there's no music playing. And I wanted to do something different for this video. I wanted to do the voiceover live. So I'm actually talking as I'm doing a haircut, not through a microphone. Tell me what y'all think about this. Now it's kind of hard to do it during shop hours. Right now it's probably about almost 9 o'clock at night. It's 8:49, so there's no one here besides me and my client. So that's why I'm able to do the voiceover like this, but I wanted to do something different. It'll save me some time on the voiceover to do at home, and I'll be able to spend more time with my family. Because guys, whenever I'm editing these videos like this, it takes time. It takes a good 2 hours, you know, to edit a video and have it out. So now I'm gonna shut up. 1, all the way open, same steps.
I'm watching you down there. I'm watching you now. I want to know the name of our next player. All right, Bob, it's Juanetta Wesley. Come on down.
Now, there is some detail work that I like to do just because that's just me. I want to make sure that these little dark spots get removed. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open and close my lever, no guard. Alright, so now we're going to start the first guideline on the side taper. It's going to be the same steps, lever all the way open, no guard, then we're going to go into a 1, our 2, come back to our 1.5, and then we're going to knock that out.
Johnny, I'm watching you down there. I'm watching you now. I want to know the name of our next player. All right, Bob, it's Juanetta Wesley. Come on down.
So doing these challenges has definitely helped me out in the sense of doing different techniques to remove dark spots or, you know, little imperfections in the blend. And, you know, that's what allows us to step out of our comfort zone to do these techniques. And then, you know, we can put them into play whenever we're just, you know, just cutting hair, not doing the challenges. I'm still working on my shear cutting as far as keeping the steel blade and just moving my thumb. So you may see me doing this. I'm trying to break that habit, but you know, we working. I will see y'all at the CT Barber Expo. We're gonna be out there with Tune 45. We're launching our booth, so it's gonna be dope. Hope to see y'all there. If you're gonna go, hit up the comment section below. Let me know you're gonna be out there. I want to meet everybody. And I am using the Tune 45 shears. They're super sharp. I've had them now for a few months now, and they have not gone dull on me. And that's what we look for in shears, right? You know, if they're gonna go dull, if they're gonna stay sharp.
Johnny, I'm watching you down there. I'm watching you now. I want to know the name of our next player. All right, Bob, it's Juanetta Wesley. Come on down. Johnny, I'm watching you down there. I'm watching you now. I want to know the name of our next player. All right, Bob, it's Juanetta Wesley.